students, next let us see number 7. Let us see number 7 exercise 5.3 number 7. Okay, let us see number 7. So find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D is equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. Sum of first 22 terms we need to find out. Okay, of an AP in which D is 7 and 22nd term is 149. Okay. First term A not given to us. Common difference. D is given to us. Common difference given to us, that is 7. Isn't it? And students, 22nd term is also given. 22nd term, that is A22 is equal to how much? 149. 22nd term is also given to us. Okay. So let us see that. So first term is not given to us. Find the sum of the first 22 terms. Okay, of an AP in which D is equal to 7. D is equal to 7 and D means common difference. 22nd term is 149. So here A n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A22 is equal to A means what? A is not given to us. N means 22. N means 22 minus 1. And D means 1. 7. A22 is 1. 149. Isn't it? So, okay. So, is equal to A plus this 21 into 7. Isn't it? So, this will be 149 is equal to A plus 147. So this will be 149 minus 147 is equal to A. So A is equal to how much? 2. Friends, A is equal to 2. Now Sn is equal to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into B. Formula must be written exactly. That means very correctly you must write the formula. Okay. So sum of 22 terms. So 22 by 2 into A. What is the value equals 2 plus 22 minus 1 into what is the value of B? The value of B is 7. So 2 I am cancelling, so it is 11 times 2 to the 4 2 to the 4 plus 21 into 7, that is 11, 4 plus 147, so 11 into 147 plus 4, 147 plus 4 is how much? 151, so 151, 161, right? Okay. So students, let us see the sum. Exercise 5.3. Okay, exercise 5.3 number 7. Find the sum of first 22 terms. Okay, you have to find the sum of the first 22 terms of the AP. This AP is there is a series of numbers, isn't it? You have to find out the sum of the first 22 terms of the AP in which D is equal to 7. D is given 7 and the 22nd term is what? 149. Okay, 22nd term is 149. So first term is not given to us. First term A is not given to us. Common difference is given to us. You see the question properly? Find the sum of the first 22 terms of an AP in which D is 7 and 22nd term is given. And 22nd term A is given how much? 149. So we have. So first what we will do is, students, using the n D is how much? D is 7. So 22 minus 1 is what? 21. 21 into 7 is how much? 147. And A22. What is the value of A22? What is the value of A22? Students, the value of A22 is what? 149. So in place of A22 you will put 149. See here A22 is equal to 149. So I am putting here 149. 21 into 7 is how much? 147. 147 I am bringing to the left side. So 149 minus 147 is how much? 149 minus 147 is 2. So therefore A is equal to 2. So now we got the first term. What is the first term? 2. Now Sn equal to, students, Sn equal to n by 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we need to find the sum of the first 22 terms. So write S22. S22 is equal to n by 2. N means what? N means 22. So in place of n, students, in place of n just put 22 by 2. 2 into a means 2 plus n means what? 22. 22 minus 1 into d means what? Common difference d. What is the value of d, students? 7. So in place of d you put 7. So with 2 you cancel 22 how many times? 11 times. Okay. Now 2 into 2 will be how much? See, with 2 I am cancelling 22. See here. With 2 I am cancelling 22, that is 11 times. Now this 2 and 2 will multiply 4. 22 minus 1 is what? 21. And into 7. 21 into 7 will give 147. 147 plus 4 is how much? 151. So 11 into 151 will be what? 1661. This is the sum of the first 22 terms of the AP. Is it okay? Now students, one more interesting sum. Number 11. Okay, very interesting. Let us see number 11. Very interesting sum. So if the sum of the first n terms of an AP is, if the sum of the first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, students, if the sum of the first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, what is the first term? That is S1 we need to find out. What is the sum of the first two terms? That is the S2 we need to find out. What is the second term? Also second term we need to find out. Similarly find out the third, the 10th and the nth term. Okay? So, okay, let us find out. So, Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. Isn't it, students? Sn is given to us. What is the value of Sn? The value of Sn is 4n minus n square. Isn't it? If the sum of the first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square. Sum of n terms. If the sum of the first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, so the sum of n terms Sn is given to us. This n, see here, it can be written like this. This is capital S and n. N is the suffix here, okay? Downwards. Don't write like this. Don't write Sn like this. It will be written in this way. This is wrong. Okay. So now what is the first thing that we need to find out? What is the first term? What is the first term? So first term will be S1. In case of n, we put just put 1. So 4 into 1 minus 1 square. So 4 into 1 minus 1 is equal to 3. So S1 is, students, S1 is 3. What is the sum of the S1? That means sum of one term. Sum of one term is what? 4 minus 1. Yes, 3. And now we need to find out that what is the sum of the first two terms? That is S2. We need to find out S2. Okay, S2 you need to find out 4 into 2 minus 2 square. 8 minus 4, that is 4. Isn't it? Now we need to find out the second term. Second term A2 is equal to S2 minus S1. S2 minus S1. Isn't it? So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So therefore common difference D, common difference D, how will you find out? second term minus first term. What is the second term? 1. And what is the first term, students? What is the first term? Okay, we will write one thing here. First term also we will. First term A is equal to, I can write 3. Okay, so second term is 1, first term is 3, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Common difference is minus 2. So similarly find the third term. Similarly find the third term. So third term, let's find out. Third term, as we usually write, A plus 3 minus 1. N term is what? N term is A plus N minus 1 into 3. So third term is A plus 3 minus 1 into 3. So A plus, generally sometimes, most of the time only, third term we will write A plus 2B only. Okay. So A, what is the value of A, students? What is the value of A? 3. 2 into D. What is the value of D? What is the value of D? Minus 2. So that means 3 minus 4, that is equal to minus 1. Third term we got. Third term is what? Yes, third term only. Third term. So third term is third term. Next we find out the 10th term. 10th term A10 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into B. So A plus 9B. So A means what, friends? A means 3 and 9 into B means what? B means minus 2, isn't it? So 3 minus 18 is equal to minus 15. And what more we need? We need the nth term. Also nth term An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into B. So what is the value of A, students? What is the value of A? 3 plus n minus 1 into D. What is the value of D? What is the value of D? Minus 2. Minus 2. So 3 minus 2n. 3 minus 2n minus 2n plus 2. So 5 minus 2. So students, let us see sum. Let us see sum number 11. Okay, if the sum of the first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, what is the first term? Okay, what is the sum of the first two terms? What is the second term? Similarly, find the third and the 10th terms. Third, the 10th and the nth terms. Okay, the sum of the first n terms, students. Sum of the first n terms Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. It is given. Sum of the first n terms. Sum of the first n terms Sn is equal to 4n minus n square is given to us, isn't it? Sn is equal to 4n minus n square is given to us. Now we need to find out what is the first term. So what is the first term, isn't it? So okay, sum of first term. So in place of n if I put 1, in place of n if I put 1 here, see here, in place of n I will put 1. That means what? Sum of what term? Sn means what? Sum of n terms. And if I put 1 here now, so 4 into 1, so it will become, in place of all the n, then we have to put 1. So in place of this n, if I put 1, so 4 into 1 will become, and it will become 1 square. So 4 into 1 is what? 4 minus 1 square means 1. 4 minus 1 is what? 3. So now when we said what is the first term? S1 is the first term. Okay. S1 is the first term. So first term we can write here also, friends. You can write the first term here also. Yes. First term you can write here also. See. Yeah. You can write the first term here also. Okay. So students, so now you see sum of first term, sum of one term I not 1. Why isn't it? Some of you is thinking, how can sum become the term. So suppose let me that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So sum of one term. If I say sum of one term, for sum of one term, you have to take only one term, isn't it? So if you take the sum of one term, that means only one term you have to take. So sum of one term is what? That means sum of one term is itself the first term. So first term is what? So first term is, students, 3. First term is taken out. Now what is the sum of the first two terms? What is the sum of the first two terms? So now in place of n you just put 2. In place of n you just put 2. In place of n you put 2. In place of this n, students, if you put 2, then what will happen? 4 into 2 minus 2 square. 4 2s are how much? 4 2s are 8. Okay, 4 2s are 8 and 2 square is how much? 4. 8 minus 4 will be how much? 4. So sum of two terms is how much? What is the sum of the first two terms? Sum of the first two terms will be, students, sum of the first two terms will be how much? 4. Now sum of the first two terms we have. Okay. Now second term I wrote second term s2 minus s1. Second term I wrote s2 minus s1. Can I write the second term to the s2 minus s1? So I will just explain you with the help of this example. Okay. Okay, now you see sum of one term, here you see. Okay, this equation let me consider 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. So sum of one term will be, students, sum of one term will be what? 2. Sum of one term means only one term I will do. Sum of two terms will be what? Sum of two terms will be 2 plus 4, that is equal to 6. Look very carefully. Sum of one term means, students, sum of one term means only the first term I will take, isn't it? Sum of one term means only the first term I will take. So sum of one term is what? 2. Sum of two terms will be first one and the second one. So sum of the first two terms will be 2 plus 4 how much? 6. Now if I do s2 minus s1, what will be the answer, students? What will be the answer? S2 minus S1 will be what? 6. S2 is how much? 6, isn't it? S2 is 6 and S1, what is the value of S1? 2. So 6 minus 2 is how much? 4, isn't it? So now you see S2 minus S1 I did. Sum of one term was 2. Sum of two term was 4 plus 6. Sum of two term was, I am talking about the sum of the first two terms. Okay. Sum of the first two term was 2 plus 4 how much? 6. I did S2 minus S1. That means sum of two terms minus sum of one term. So what is the answer? What answer did I get? 4. 4 is the second term now. 4 is the second term. So from the sum of two terms, if you subtract the sum of one term, you will get the second term. Okay. So therefore, second term A2 is equal to S2 minus S1. Look at this example. Sum of one term is 2. Sum of the first two terms is what? 2 plus 4 6. So sum of second term, that means sum of the first two terms minus sum of one term will be what? 6 minus 2 4. So 4 is the second term now. So therefore I wrote here. So second term A2 is equal to S2 minus S1. That means S2 is what? 4 and S1 is what? 3. So 4 minus 3 will be what? 1. Therefore the second term is what? Second term is 1. Second term is 1, isn't it? Now common difference we will find out, students. We will find out the common difference. How to find out the common difference? Okay, how to find out the common difference? Common difference will be second term minus the first term. What is the second term, students? What is the second term? Second term is 1 and the first term is what? 3. Second term is 1 and first term is 3. So 1 minus 3 is how much? Minus 2. So common difference is, what is the common difference, students? Common difference is minus 2. Now third term let us find out. Let us find out the third term. See, similarly find the third term. So second term we found out that the second term is what? 1. And after the common difference we are finding out for the further part. Okay. So third term how will we find out? N term is written as a plus n minus 1 into d. So third term will be written as a plus 3 minus 1 into d. Isn't it? N term a plus n minus 1 into d. So third term will be a plus 3 minus 1 into d. So right here a plus 3 minus 1 into d. So 3 minus 1 means what? 2. So a plus 2d. What is the value of a, students? What is the value of a? A means what? The first term, isn't it? So the value of a 9D. 9 into D. What is the value of D, students? What is the value of D common difference? Minus 2, isn't it? So 9 into minus 2 will become minus 15. 3 minus 8 is how much? Minus 15. And then n term, after the n term we need to find out the nth term also. So find out the n term a n equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. In place of a you put 3 n minus 1 into d. What is the value of d? Minus 2. So minus 2 see here nicely. This minus 2 into n will become minus 2n. Minus 2 into minus 1 will become plus 2. 3 plus 2 is how much? 5. So 5 minus 2n is the nth term of the AP. Okay? I hope all of you have understood nicely. See this sum very carefully and listen to the way I have explained. Okay?